redemption, living life with imperfections. Better soon time will come when we all are one day under the sun. March to Zion's drums when the race is won. We just begun. Revolution in the face of grenades and guns. Put our men in front. Heroes unsung, leaving families broken. So much confusion. It's time to die for religion. Enslavement and mental prison. We put in jail for justice in the system. The world we live in. Time will come when we all are one under the sun. March to Zion's drums when the race is won. We just begun in Africa. No more sorrow. Africa. Sounds of tomorrow. In Africa. No more sorrow. Africa. My eyes start there shaking as my body begins to wake. Wake up. I look around and see that I'm in the same place. So I brush my locks and wash my face and think about the day when there'll be kings and queens with their golden ring, authentic thing, where the weak are made strong, the poor get their needs. Feel some seeds. The deaf sing their songs, calm my fears.